Hello, in this video I am showing the how payroll functionality and the configuration. For that I have created one employee, Sandeep employee, and I have filled all the details related to the employee. Also for the payroll we need to create one contract for the employee. So contract also have created. This also we need to map the working schedule, like default working hours, how many hours employee need to work. Also the fixed wages, this is for the fixed employee salary. And if hourly base pay, you need to select the hourly wages. So now I have added the fixed wages, and working schedule pay here the monthly, or you can select anything from you. I have added the monthly, and wages for the monthly pay salary you need to add here. And here I have added the salary structure type. This is I have created, like from the when you go to the payroll, in configuration you need to first create the structure type. I have created the overtime employee here, and based on that you need to create the payroll structure also. Like we map the regular pay structure here, so we need to create this regular pay structure for the salary that we you need to create from the structure. And here for the overtime employee I have created the regular pay overtime. And also in that you can see the salary rules is included. These salary rules you can create from the rules. From here you can create new, and the all salary rules you can add here. I already created for the Guyana based salary rules. This is NIC employee, employer, holiday, overtime, and pay, net salary. This all I have added based on the Guyana rules. If anything missing, you can just need to add a line and add that rule. So after that you need to map this regular pay overtime in a structure type. Like in a overtime I have mapped the regular pay overtime in this, and this structure type you need to add in a employee contract here. This is a job position, this is a we need to add, and make sure this contract is in a running state, then only it's applicable. So after that in structure type and structure you can create that. I have create new employee and show you how it's we need to map. I have create the test employee. In that I have add the mobile number, email, department type. For now I have added the management or the research and development, and the experienced developer, same. Save. Now I am creating the contract. For the contract I add the test contract, test contract, and hourly wage salary I have add here 50,000. And this wage type I have add the fixed wage. And here structure type, now I am create the new structure type for this. And if you want to add any existing, if you created the same salary structure type for the every employee, just you need to create once and then you can add. Now for the how we create, for that I am creating new. Here I create the and here now you can see here is no any pay structure type is there because we need to create the structure first for this structure type. So for that we need to go to the structure, create the new structure for the salary type. I am creating same overtime and holiday structure, and in that type we need to add which we have created holiday and overtime and holiday type. Here from the structure I think I added the holiday and holiday structure type. Yes, here it's a holiday. So based on that, now holiday and overtime, this is a structure we have created for the type of employee, overtime and holiday type of employee. And from the here you can see the salary rules I have added for this structure. So when you save, also this you need to map from the salary type as well, like when you go in a overtime and holiday type, here now you can see this structure is created over daytime. Oh, I created two. So first I need to add the holiday and overtime which I am working over day and time. Now from here you can see you can add any rules, add from here any rules, and if you don't want any rules from this then you can remove that. I am removing all the, only I have added the salary, gross, reimbursement and net salary for this type. So when I save, and from here we need to select that employee type, overtime and holiday type. Oh sorry, for the test employee, go to the employees, from the contract we need to add that contract type. Yeah, I already added the overtime and holiday type, and now we need to add this running state, then also it's working. And from the attendance I have created here the multiple attendance for the Sandeep, and from here you can see the overtime hours, this including the holiday and the overtime hours. So when you creating any salary slip to pay, first I create the Sandeep salary slip, in that all holiday overtime is included. When you select this employee, then you can see contract and structure type is already populated based on the contract. Now I am selecting previous month's salary. When I select that, you can see holiday count and the overtime count, it's already added, like 4 hours holiday, these employees work extra 4 hours, and overtime it's 2.5 hours. It's overtime they Sandeep employees work. So after saving and when we compute the sheet, then you can see all the basic salary, holiday calculation, overtime calculation based on the holiday and overtime based on the these hours, and this hours is calculated from the attendance. I will show you the from the attendance. Attendance for the Sandeep, there is the 6:30. This is including the holiday and overtime. So based on that, this all calculations is work, and this is for based on the deduction and the adding the holiday overtime. It's 864. This amount is the salary of that employee, including the deduction and all the calculations. So now we creating the new employee, which just we have created test employee. When I select that, then automatically this is come. Now there is no any overtime or the holidays calculation, because I have not added in attendance. So just I adding here and save, and when I compute this, only based on the basic salary, gross and pay, it's added. Just a minute, it's basic and be more since most of the value this new test employee. Yeah, here is a wage is 1 2 3 4. Because of this it's showing 0. And also we need to select the contract type. Now we can create new test employee. Please continue using the entries of the employee. Oh, we need to create the work entries like attendance. For the test employee, I'm creating another month's salary, adding 9 to 10. You can add multiple entries, but for now I am adding the only one entry. Adding 9, apply. Gap limitation and calendar, please complete the missing work entries of the employee. I think I missed something. is one entry is there. I'm creating another day, day 2. This is I am adding manually. After the we can configure the biometric, it's automatically updated the attendance. For now I am adding manually. Test employee designation. I will check this, but whenever we select I have create another entries also for the Aniket and Aarti. So when I click on Aarti, Aniket, this Aniket employee, I have added this as a hourly best pay. Like when you searching, this is a hourly best pay employee. Same configuration we need for this employee as well. When we select the previous month, here also holiday and overtime calculation is count is come, and when we compute the sheet, its salary is automatically updated based on the which we have added in the salary structure. Like in regular pay I have added some basic and all the things. This is not based on the Guyana, but this is a general all the rules. So based on that, salaries is created. So this is all about the salary structure. In this we not added the leave management. So currently I'm working on the leave, unpaid leave, and how we add and deduct the for the unpaid leave. And also one thing, in time off I have added here the public holiday. From here you can create the any calendar date and add the date. Based on that it will consider the holiday. Like if I have added the uh, Thursday 7 May, then it's considered as a holiday. And whenever entry from the 7, it's go in a holiday count. So this is all about the payroll. Thank you.